All right, folks, we're back. Rough grind on the thing. Listen, man, this thing's solid as a brick. Added a little draft. You know, that's what we do. I'll show you how that works. You're right down here on the table, looking right at it. And we added a little draft, right? So the part will come off of the thing, right? This side here too. Some of the places it was hanging way over. So what we did is we just barely do any witnessing on that bottom line, just a bit, just a hair. And then we'll take it back over here, check it out, and we'll throw it on the go-kart and make sure it still fits. And there you go. It's a little long on the end because the ends of this aren't rounded off, but it fits right in there. So you see, I'm already starting to think about, you know, we've got to bring it back. The 3 inches is about here. So, you know, if you look at it here, that's not a very big hole. This is all going to be open as well. These would just be 2 little risers here, and then all this would be open. The top here is going to be rounded as well. So, there you go. What do you think, Chuck? Is it fast? Is it super fast?
Wicked fast.
Wicked fast. Awesome sauce. So that's it. We're going to go in and cook some chicken and make some quesadillas for dinner. And then we're going to come back out. We're going to throw some bondo and stuff on here. And we'll go from there. And we'll bring you that footage after dinner. Love y'all. Say goodbye, Chuck.
Later, guys.